Question 7, Part A. Figure X below shows a square tile ABCD. It is made up of a triangle BCD, a quarter of circle AFE, and a shaded part BDEF, and AF equal to FB. The area of triangle BCD is 32 centimeters square. What is the radius of the quarter circle AFE? So we know that BCD that's highlighted in red is 32 centimeter square. So this is basically half a square, which means that this over here, we were to rotate it, okay, will look something like this. It's the same. And that means we have the height and we have the base, right? So in this, pretty straightforward. Actually, the easier way is, since BCD is half of the square ABCD, that means BCD equal to half of ABCD square. That means the 2 out of 2, or the full square of ABCD, it's basically 2 times 32, this will give us 64 centimeters square. Okay? Side times side is equal to square ABCD area. So that means the side of the square side is equal to square root of square ABCD area, which in this case is square root of 64, and this will be 8 centimeters. So the thing is that the radius AFE, which is basically is AE over here, so radius of quarter circle is basically the same as AF and the same as AE. So the thing is that since AF is equal to FB, because they are identical, so that means AF is equal to 8 divided by 2. This will give us 4 centimeters. Since we know AF, that means radius of quarter circle will then be equal to 4 centimeters. Question 7, Part B. Figure Y is made out of 4 such square tiles as shown in figure X. Find the total shaded area in figure Y. So to find the total shaded area in figure Y, so I will say total shaded area is basically the shaded square minus the unshaded center circle. So we need to find the shaded square in red. So shaded square, pretty straightforward. Basically 4 times 2. This will give us 128 centimeters square. Then we need to find the unshaded center circle, which in this case is pi times radius. And we know pi, which is 3.14, times radius is 4 times 4. And this will give us 50.24. So now we can find out the total shaded area. So total shaded area is basically shaded square, which is 128 minus 50.24, and this will give us 77.76 centimeter square.